Welcome to Redink Tutorials. This time I will show you how you can find out how to do certain things with Redink if I haven't shown this to you. To do so, the easiest way, in addition to reading the manual, which has a few hundred pages, is to actually ask Redink on how to do it. There is not just an ordinary help file, it is an actual chatbot that will provide you the responses. For example, how can I redact a PDF? Ask this question, and now Redink will go and read the entire manual and provide you a response based on the manual on how to do this. If you are in a company that has configured this specifically, you can have this chatbot also configured to read your manuals of Redink. And here you get the response. Method 1, use this and that menu, and then it also refers to some other features that you may or may not have licensed, and you get a step-by-step instruction and you can implement this. If that is not available to you, if that doesn't work, there is also the possibility to go on the website of Redink. Here on this website, redink.ai, you can go and set up and support and ask Inky. And now type your questions. How can I anonymize text in Word? And this will again consult the manual and provide you with the relevant response. It will actually also show you the source in the manual, the PDF manual. PDF manual is available in downloads, manuals, and more, where you can basically go and get it in German and in English. And I hope this will help you if you have a question. And if there is a feature missing, let us know so we can add it to the product. Thank you very much.